Welcome to number 5 in our series on garden herbs for healing. Today, we are covering thyme. Here are the healing uses of thyme. It contains thymol, a potent antiseptic found in mouthwashes and cough remedies. It helps fight respiratory infections, coughs, and bronchitis. It also supports overall immune function. So, how can you use thyme for healing? Brew a strong tea to soothe a cough. Use it for steam inhalation to clear congestion. Or simply add it as a culinary herb to your meals. I hope you found this useful. Please share your experience by commenting below.